I-cover mo yung ano mo.
Sige, dumikit ka. Hindi ka mapapagod dyan.
Extend mo kamay mo. Extend mo kamay mo. Huwag ka madadak. Extend mo kamay mo. Yan. Cover mo. Ano gagawin? Gilid mo. Gilid. Yan, magilid. Ganunin mo siya. Okay, wala. Atakot si Kuba. Yung ginawa ko kanina. Atakot si Kuba. Palayo ka na. Palayo ka. Sige, palayo. Sige, diretso. Diretso ka. Sige,
Sa may bukong, sir.
Sige pa. Sige. Investigate pa.
Yung isa sir. Iba dalawa sir yan?
Isa lang. Isa lang ang ginawa natin kanina. Isa lang naman.
Yung visor mo, ibaba mo.
Yung visor mo dapat yan. Pakuha ang visor mo. Sige, report ka. Ito dito naman.
Fire at the galley.
Extinguish. Investigate.
Investigate.
No sign.
No signs of ignition.
Radyo ka. Ulitin mo.
Bridge. Fire on the galley. Extinguish the fire.
Ano sign of ignition? Roger, copy. Fire to galley. Investigate. No sign of ignition. Thank you. Now proceed to the open fire.
Yeah. Was connected.
Open the bar.
Open the valve.
Sige, pag nga.
Ito ah. Nag-forward.
Basta na si Dio.
Directing gate pa pala yun. Directing gate.
Fire extinguished. No sign of ignition.
Extinguish, investigate, no sign of ignition. Now prepare to the enclosed fire.
Okay, paano mo atin ngayon yung video? Dalawa naman sila. Doon ka na.
Yan, tama yun. Mapinulat ka. Pasigawin mo rin sila. Open the valve. Bakit mo lookin, ma'am?
Nagilid ka. Postande! Gawin mo lang.
Pass out. Carries out, investigated, no signs of recognition. Oh. Bridge, leader number 1. Open the ball! Open the ball! Open the ball! Ma'am, bukas din yan. Oh. The ball is fully open! Ball fully open! The ball is 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 fully open! Back to position. Pag fully open shift, gagawin ka. Attack na ba? Forward! Ikaw maiiwan ka sa labas. Pagpasok,
What's the ball?
Number 3, take the ball. Investigate, no sign of recognition, but one casualties, they injured. We need assistance. Leader 1, increase space. Extinguish the fire, back up one. Extinguish the fire.
Investigate, no sign of ignition, then one person lying inside the engine room needs an assistant. So proceed to rescue operation.
Tanda na. Kaon! Tawag ka.
The victim is already in safety. Now take the vital sign.
Kasi kung may vital sign, are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
Take the